Hello, everyone. If you are looking for an over-the-top destination wedding, or maybe a 50th birthday party, or maybe just a because trip, definitely take note of Castillo di Bicarello. I think I'm saying that right. It is a 12th century castle located in Tuscany, Italy, and it is our newest addition into the Blue Sky Luxury Travels catalog. So I'm so excited about this one. It's so unique. First of all, the castle is surrounded by 400,000 square meters of organic vineyards and olive groves and farmland. So the beauty that you have with these views and also the extreme privacy, it's really wonderful. The grounds are, of course, manicured. They're gorgeous. They have areas where you can go get massages in this peaceful environment. There are two pools that you can lounge by. And as far as activities, there are many. There's cooking classes and horseback riding, hiking and biking, to, let's see, truffle hunting, leather workshop. I've got my notes right here. Grape harvest and olive harvest. So you have so many fun things that you can do at this property. So as far as the accommodations, there are right now in the year of 2024, there are a total of 10 suites. With these suites, you can either, if you're in the area and you're a couple and you wanted to rent one of the suites for one of the nights, that's definitely possible. Also, what I was saying about the destination wedding, if you wanted to do a buyout for a party, an event of whatever sort, that is also doable. And there's a 3-night minimum when it comes to the exclusive buyout. Right now, the property sleeps up to 25 people. Next year, they will have a villa finished, so it will sleep up to 30 people. As far as the rates go, let's talk about a buyout. It would be right now in the year of 2024. It would be 22,000 euro per night in low season, and it would be, I think, 28,500 per night in high season. Next year, when the villa is finished, it will sleep up to 30 people, and the rate in low season will be 31,000 euro per night, and in high season, it will be 37,200 euro per night. So if anyone would like more information or to book, please let us know. Bye.